There are so many questions about Instagram algorithm lately, and way too much advice online that sounds confident and looks great on viral carousels, but somehow doesn't work when you try it in real life. You have every right to feel exhausted. Because there is a good chance you are trying to grow on the platform using the methods and hacks that expired 3 years ago. Hi, I'm Kasia Pirch. I'm a marketing strategist and I help businesses and creatives grow online, which means I don't have the luxury of falling behind. Because if I do, my clients will suffer. But aren't creativity and good ideas enough? Of course they matter, but there's so much more to it. In this masterclass, I want to show you how Instagram algorithms work today and what to do to make them favor your content.